What are you doing down there? What? Go get them geese. Go get them. I'll cook one for you. Go get them. Dog's got a bark to break glass. Shh. Be quiet. It was nice and quiet out here until you started that crap. Shut up. See, they want you to shut up too. Go get one. I'll cook it for you. No? Fine. And all them Canadians. Trying to fish. I'm trying to fish. Shut up. Worst day fishing. Shut up. Stop it. Be quiet. Be quiet. Loudmouth. Come on, get up here. Come on. Come on. Oh, you want a stick? Bring it up here. Bring it up here. Come on, bring it up here. Noisy.